I was so disappointed cooking this dish. Stay with me. We're going to season the pot. We use lemon, pimento seed, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, and also salt to taste. Remember to add salt, guys. One tip. Just make sure that you clean all your produce before you add them, cook them to any pot. If you don't clean the food properly before you cook it, then you won't get a good taste. Anyway, to that pot, we add some potatoes and the corn. My pot is not big, so this is the stage where I'm going to do it in twos. We fry off some sausage, and the sausage, they look a bit brown, but trust me, they were delicious. I also added to the potato and the corn to cook for about 5 minutes. Then we take them out, pop them to the side. Later, I also cook 6 eggs. My eggs, I normally cook them separately because that's just me. It's up to you. If you want to cook them in the same pot, fine. But I cook them separately. So I cook 6 eggs. Once I've done that, those were set to the side in some cold water. Once my potato and corn was cooked, I took them out of the pot. In that same pot, I add all my seafood, my lobster, my prawn, and my crab legs. I cook my prawns for about 3 minutes, remove them from the pan, add them to the potato and corn, and also leave my lobster and the crab legs to cook for about 7 minutes. Take those out. For my butter sauce, I add some fresh ginger, fresh thyme, and also garlic to the pan. So I fry off those with some nice chopped onion as well. I add some Old Bay, some all-purpose seasoning, garlic, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, and some scotch bonnet powder. A bit of pimento seeds and a little bit more salt to taste. Squeeze of fresh lemon juice, because that's just cut down that grease. But it was lovely. Flavors to the max. Then we've layered everything in a big enough bowl after I've cooked everything. And I add all my sauce over it. But let me tell you why I was disappointed. My crab legs, they were so chopped. That was from the package that I bought them. So these were bought frozen, but they were so chopped. I did not like it because I don't think I get my money's worth. So next time I'll try to source better quality crab legs and, just make sure that I get my money's worth. Other than that, this was fire. The food was delicious. I absolutely enjoyed every moment of it. I swear. Guys, if you don't mind, you guys are superstar. Like, share the video, follow for more. Lots will be coming. I had to do this detail. This is my second time making this dish. And I'm telling you, it was nice. Initially, I made this dish just for me. But then when I looked at it, it was way too much just for one person. Well, my belly would not hold this much food. So this was shared between about 4 or 5 people. And everybody enjoyed it and gives it 5 star. Mwah. Chef's kiss. Yes, it was that delicious. So remember to like and check out the description for the full recipe, even though I've just shared it. I also sprinkled some dried parsley over it, but that's just for decoration. It looks really nice when you put a bit of greenery over the food. A little bit of presentation. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a blessed evening, night, wherever you are. Bye.